Introduce yourself. Lesson 2. Learn English with Deep. Is your country here? What is your nationality? I am Chinese. I am Brazilian. I am Indonesian. I am Mexican. I am Russian. I am Japanese. Where are you from? I am from Shanghai. I am from Sao Paulo. I am from Jakarta. I am from Mexico City. I am from Moscow. I am from Tokyo. Where do you live? I live in Beijing. I live in Rio de Janeiro. I live in Surabaya. I live in Monterrey. I live in St. Petersburg. I live in Osaka. Put the dialogue in the correct order. Hi, I am Wang.
Hello, I am Olga.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I am Russian. I'm from Moscow.
Ah, I am Chinese. I am from Shanghai and I live in Beijing.
Wow, Beijing. Nice. I live in St. Petersburg.
Do you like it there?
Yes, it is nice.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Petri.
Hello, I am Deep.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I am British. I am from Manchester.
Ah, I am Indonesian. I'm from Jakarta and I live in Surabaya.
Wow, Surabaya, nice. I live in London.
Do you like it there?
Yes, it is nice.